Today, we review the best 5 walkie-talkie that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Arcshell Walkie-Talkie. The Arcshell Walkie-Talkie 4-pack is perfect for commercial applications or home use. You can use these FRS two-way radios on a construction site, in a restaurant kitchen, a fire department, hotel, retail store, school events, on your property, and even on a cruise ship.
Number 2.
Proster Walkie-Talkie. The Proster Walkie-Talkie 2-pack is perfect for security guards, supermarket workers, construction works, field, outdoor adventures, survivalists, biking and camping enthusiasts. Strong and sturdy, the walkie-talkies are ideal for indoor or outdoor use. A generous UHF 400 to 470 MHz frequency has a very good range of 2 miles, but this range will depend on your surroundings.
Number 3.
Dewalt DX-FRS 300 Walkie-Talkie. Whether you need a walkie-talkie for commercial use or wilderness adventures, the Baofeng UV5R two-way walkie-talkie offers you lots of communication functionality. Ultra-powerful dual VHF 136 to 174 and UHF 400 to 520 MHz frequencies are displayed on the backlit LCD screen, and the AV button allows you to toggle between the frequencies.
Number 4.
Dillas RT 628 Walkie-Talkies for Kids. The Dillas RT21 Walkie-Talkie 10-pack are excellent two-way radio devices for security companies, churches, schools, department stores, event management, hotels, museums, restaurants, cafes, train guards, or outdoor enthusiasts.
Number 5.
Dillas Toys Walkie-Talkies for Kids. The DX-FRS 300 Dewalt DX-FRS 300 Walkie-Talkie 2-pack is ideal for business applications such as a hotel front desk, retail, restaurants, or grocery stores. Communication is vital with Dewalt, and their 1-watt FRS walkie-talkies have a single UHF frequency that delivers an ultra-clear long-distance reception up to 250,000 square feet or up to 20 floors.